Hey, hey, it's Berta Jay. Come on back into my kitchen with me today, you troopers. I want to share a grain with you that maybe you have not heard of. It's called FARRO, F-A-R-R-O, and it's really, really good. I found out a lot of information about it, and we're going to cook it today. And it's real simple to cook. Anyway, it's an ancient grain. It's full of minerals and vitamins. It's full of fiber. It's very high in fiber and protein. And a fourth of a cup is only about 200 calories if you just cook it straight. That's what we're going to do. We're just going to cook it like you would cook rice or something like that. It's a wonderful grain, and here's what it looks like. The grains are kind of big. Once it is cooked, it has a nutty flavor and it's chewy. Now you could use this FARRO in, I don't know, so many things. You could use it in soups. You could use it in casseroles. Use it as a cereal. Add a little bit of sweeteners, some, dried fruits, a little milk. It's just very versatile, and it's also very good. So we're gonna get started right now, and I'll show you what has to happen. The first thing you do when you cook this, there's a couple ways to do it. You can either cook it by letting it soak for 30 minutes, and then it takes about 20 to 30 minutes to cook in water, of course. 20 to 30 minutes to cook. But if you want to lower the amount of cooking time to 10 to 15 minutes, then what you do is you just soak it. I soaked 1 cup in water overnight. And then when you get up, what you do is this is it soaking, and I'm gonna take it to the sink, drain it, and then we're gonna put it in 3 cups of water, bring it to the boil, cook it for 10 to 15 minutes, and you're done, okay? Put in 3 cups of water into a saucepan. Put it on a medium-high heat. Put a lid on it. Bring it to the boil. Once the FARRO is on and cooking, it's going to cook for like 10 to 15 minutes until it looks like this. Once it's finished cooking, that's the way it's going to look. Now keep in mind that this is the way it looks when it's dry, this is the way it looks when it's soaked overnight, and this is the way it looks when it's cooked. What I'm going to do, it's very plain. All I'm going to do is put some brown rice gravy over it, and that's another one of my videos. It absolutely tastes delicious with this over it. If you like nutty and chewy, you're going to really love this grain. The one thing I did want to tell you is that it's not gluten-free. It's in the wheat family, so it does have gluten in it. But if you can handle gluten, you're going to like this. And especially with my brown rice gravy. So I'm just going to give it a little taste, okay? I really like my own cooking. I guess way too much, huh? This is so good. I wanted to tell you that once it's finished cooking, 10 minutes, maybe you taste it and look at it and see if it's soft enough, or you can go 10 to 15, 10 to 12. You have to drain all the water is not gonna be absorbed. It's like pasta. You know how you have to drain pasta, you're gonna have to drain FARRO as well. So drain that, and then it's ready to eat. Okay? So that's all done. Everything I'm all finished. So you know what my favorite lines are, troopers, right? Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell so that every time a new video is uploaded, you will get the notification. This is just another installment on the sides for Thanksgiving and Christmas. And so until next time, from my kitchen to yours, trooper, I say bye for now.